Hello guys, this is Will at Jordan Bikes. Today I've got for sale this. It is a Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. Full colour TFT display, quick shifter. You've got the LED, daytime running lights. This one's got some really nice Evotech parts, including the radiator guard, tail tidy, and some protection on the side from Triumph. It's got the Racefit exhaust, and as you've already heard, sounds pretty sweet. An absolute belter of a bike. If we come up to the display in a couple of seconds, you can see how nice that is. All full colour TFT display, and you can also adjust the view of that as well. They're an absolute belter of a bike of these. You've got the seat cowl on there, the bar end mirrors. What more do you need? Guys, in order to get this purchase, it is absolutely simple. Pop down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.